at everybody, my dear friends.
My dear friends.
All my life,
כל החיים שלי.
I wanted to sing a song to Gabi. Gabi! You give us so much joy!
You give us so much joy!
Gabi!
Gabi!
Oi, 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 oi!
Oi, 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 oi!
Yahase Shalom, everybody! Yahase Shalom! Shalom Aleichem! Yahase Shalom! Yahase! Everybody! Shalom Aleichem! Everybody! You, the good-looking guy who look at Julio Iglesias. You. Come on here. Yes. Yeah. Don't say anything. Come on here. Don't say anything. Look at everybody. Look at everybody. Repeat after me, my dear friends.
My dear friends.
Let me tell you. All my life.
All my life.
I was waiting for this moment.
I really was waiting for this moment.
In honor of Gabi Bar Mitzvah.
Yeah! In honor of Gabi's bar mitzvah.
I will do 3 root canals.
3 root canals?
I will do 3 root canals.
3 root canals.
To all the Jews from Teaneck.
All the Jews from Teaneck. You're good.
The Jews from Inglewood.
And the Jews from Inglewood.
Will pay 50%. Watch me. You come on here, Gabi. Shh, look at my boots. Shh, please. Do you know his phone number, his cellular? No. Your cellular. Shh. Watch me. Look at my boots. 052? 054? Yes or no? 437-7719.
Exactly right.
Watch me!
Don't call too late.
Do you practice in America?
I do.
Where do you practice?
Staten Island.
You're right. Watch me! Look at my boots! You! Phone number in Staten Island! Are you ready?
We have to think about this.
718!
How did that? Amazing! Amazing!
718! Yes or no?
Yes.
356!
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I don't believe it. Is there a 1?
There's a 1.
650?
450.
Well, you moved.
Did you think I'm a good-looking guy?
Yes, go ahead. Look at everybody.
The man knows.
Look at everybody. Repeat after me. My dear friends.
My dear friends.
My name is Dr. Avram Aboudi.
You can call me Avram. It's fine.
My father also was a doctor.
He is a doctor.
Let me do my show. My dear friends.
Yes.
My father was the only orthopedic surgeon in Sudan.
That's correct.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And let me tell you.
You're good.
And let me tell you.
Yeah.
And let me tell you.
Let me tell you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm so proud.
I am so proud.
This good-looking boy.
This good-looking boy.
Has a beautiful smile.
He has a beautiful smile.
And it's not because of me.